Are you listening? Can you hear me? When I was braking, the front wheels made a series of screeching noises. At the repair shop, they said I needed new brake pads. It cost 800. I said, 800? That's highway robbery. So I just drove away. Look, I bought these brake pads online for only 80 bucks. We've got time today, so let's change the brake pads ourselves. It's easy. Watch and learn, and you'll never get ripped off again. First, remove the wheel. This has been taken off. These are the brake pads inside the brake caliper. Next, we'll remove the brake caliper. Use a wrench to remove this bolt under the caliper. Insert the pry bar and lever it to reset the caliper. Open the caliper. These two pieces inside are the brake pads. This is the caliper, this is the rotor, these are the pads. When clamped, it won't turn. Released, it turns. Clamped, no turn. Released, it turns. That's how car brakes work. Okay, let's take out these two brake pads. These pads are still decent. They could last 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers more. But look, the surface is all rough, wearing grooves in the rotor. No wonder it was screeching when we braked. If it was just roughness, we could sand it down easily. But the shop wanted me to replace them. That's such a rip-off. Since we've bought new ones, let's install them. It's simple. Lift the caliper, align the pads, and push them in. Do the same for the other side. New pads are in. Let's put the caliper back and screw it on. Now tighten the screws. Left side's done. Let's put the wheel back on. We'll do the same for the right side. Let's do the right side now. Right side's done too, but we're not finished yet. Next step's crucial. After changing pads, we must start the car. Get in and press the brake hard to set the new pads. Brakes set. We're all done. That should solve the problem. So, did you learn something? Share this with your friends. They'll love you for it.